Good Thursday morning, it's Andy at Mike Johnson's Hickory Toyota. Take a look at this 2022 Toyota Corolla SE. A beautiful red color, gray interior. This one has the SE wheels with Dunlop tires. Black top. This is a local trade-in 2022 model, less than 1,000 miles, like new, still has the stickers in it. All the factory warranty comes with this car. Give us a call, 828-358-3913 or 1-800-NEW-TOYOTA, or visit us online at hickorytoyota.com. We ship up all over the country. So if you like what you see, give us a call today.